This evening, a census worker is insisting that the 2022 population and housing census is compromised. The worker also insists that the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, should either do it over or extend the time. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has the details.
Meet John. Obviously not the real name. John was first working as a census supervisor, monitoring census takers in their enumeration districts and approving the questionnaires to be sent over to Statin. But when Statin was short on census takers, John also took up that role in other areas.
Those zones had no supervisors, so I would fall under the area manager. The area manager, when I do my go out and do my data collection, then the area manager would approve my work.
John said it was difficult, at times navigating some rough roadways.
We have encounter with dogs. You're hopping, skipping and jumping over illegal electrical connections. Sometimes people rude to you.
Still, John enjoyed the experience and considered it as part of the civic duty. Now, the 2022 census was originally scheduled for September to December 2022. Fresh from the COVID-19 pandemic, Statin reported challenges, including difficulties recruiting workers. Statin did not meet the new deadline of March 2023, and by August 2023, Statin said it would not be revealing a new deadline. Fast forward to February 2024, and hundreds of Jamaicans have been complaining they have not taken part in the census. John was shocked when the finance minister indicated on February 26 that data gathering was finished and Statin was analyzing the information.
Data collection is far from over because there are several EDs in and around where I live that they have not seen a census taker. I know census takers who live in particular EDs, and they and their family have not been counted because those EDs, no census takers have been in those EDs.
John said they were told in meetings the number of EDs, enumeration districts, that were without supervisors and by extension, census takers.
I think the integrity of the census has been compromised and it should be done over. The numbers won't be a true reflection of the population.
Opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson said he has not been able to get a proper update from Statin regarding the census. He suggested they appear before a parliamentary committee to answer questions. Census provides important information on the population, including age, gender, where people live, their level of education, and other socio-economic conditions to inform development plans. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.